You look like a Charlie Brown Christmas tree, which is not bad, right? Welcome back, guys, to the 12 Days of Christmas. Today it's a nice project that I want to try. You know how we started painting the walls, right? But I don't know if you guys noticed a little hole in the wall, and my husband fixed it. It was a little accident that Martin had. And so we bought this to fix the hole, right? And I want to use it because I've been searching up. I really wanted to get a flock tree, but they are really expensive. And it really doesn't matter if the size is big or small, they're still really expensive, right? So I made the decision to try this technique okay, first off, let me tell you that I've been searching, okay? I've been doing homework, I've been searching and trying to see what it's like the best option to do or to DIY a flock tree. The best option is to get powder and do it yourself, but it's gonna take a while for it to be delivered. They have it at Amazon, and I'm gonna link it down below to see if I can find it. I'm gonna link it down below. But they sell it at Amazon. I think they also sell it at Target, but I went to Target and they didn't have anything. So this was kind of like similar. There was a DIY that I found that you can get something similar to this at the Dollar Tree, but I already had this, so it is still patch paste, so I'm gonna be using that. But another thing that I am also going to do is try to make this little Charlie Brown Christmas tree into this. It's a little fuller. I'm gonna show you guys how I made the Charlie Brown tree into a bigger tree. And I'm also going to show you guys how I'm going to flock my little tiny trees, because I need some decorations for one area in my house, and you'll see it later on. So if you're interested in seeing how I do that, then just keep watching. I'm gonna start by putting these two Christmas trees that I picked up at the Dollar Tree together. I just took off all the little hooks that it's holding the tree, and I'm only going to be using one set. And that way it could look like it's only one Christmas tree. So by putting it together, I'm going to be using the floral tape that I also picked up at the Dollar Tree. And I actually had that tape for years, so I didn't even have to spend any money on it. And then to put it together, I'm opening the branches so that way they could align each tree, so that way they could look like the same. And then I'm only going to be putting the floral tape on the bottom and on the top. I really didn't need to put any tape in the middle because they hold on just together right with putting the tape on the bottom and on the top. But if you want to put it more secure and you're planning to put the Christmas tree away all in one piece, then you can do that. If not, you only have to put the tape on the bottom and on the top.
Each day we're together on the way, oh, we're falling in love.
And then all I have to do is just opening the branches and make it fuller. And this is the result with the Christmas tree with one piece and then with two pieces together. And now for the fun part. I recommend for you to use gloves, because then you don't want to end up with the hands full of paste or patch and smelling like wall. It kind of has a funky smell, but then at the end you won't have that smell, I promise. Don't be scared. And then I'm just gonna be adding water, make it a little bit more watery, so that way I can make like drips, kind of like if it's raining snow. At the beginning I did start it with painting it and just to the edges, and then at the end I grabbed a little bit more watery, because you will see, if you make this project, you will see that the water or the paste comes a little bit more thicker. Like at the beginning it's water, but for some reason it makes it more thicker.
So by the time you're adding it into the tree, it makes it more thick once it's dry. And then to make it more prettier and nice, I'm gonna be adding this little garland of stars that I picked up at the dollar spot in Target, and this is how it looks. I'm super happy that I was able to recreate something like this.
That's right.
How do you guys like it? This is I was really impatient to wait 24 hours. You have to wait 24 hours so it could dry, but it's pretty much dry. There's a big patches that are like still thick. I really want to add some glitter into it, but I'm just so impatient, and I just wanted it to share with you guys so that way you guys still have time to recreate something like this, or even do it on a garland. You know what, that's a good idea. I will probably do it on a garland. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me that like. If you guys haven't checked the other videos that I have posted for the 12 days of Christmas, I'm gonna link them down below so you guys can go and check them out. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed, so you could become part of the little family that I have going on here on YouTube. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Chestnuts roasting